Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today I am super excited to share with you guys a collaboration 4th of July inspired makeup tutorial. Super stoked. This was so much fun to put together, and this is a collaboration, so I'm working with two lovely YouTubers here. And yeah, I was just really inspired to do a 4th of July look this year, and I think this one is one of my top favorites. It is so bright, so out there, and very 4th of July inspired. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned and let's get into this video. Before we dive into the makeup tutorial portion, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more information on who I am collaborating with. So the first lady here is Caitlin, and you guys have seen Caitlin and I do a few videos together back and forth, and we also did a was it Christmas in November type of makeup swap. So yeah, Caitlin and I have a past, we have some history, and she is just amazing. She is a great friend, and we have been collaborating for some time. So it just felt right that we do a 4th of July collaboration again, because we have done one previously in the past. Her YouTube is very makeup focused. She does a lot of hauls, a lot of reviews, a lot of like makeup tutorials. She does a great series of just makeup and chill, where she just like sits down and just kind of chats with you as she puts on her makeup, and I always feel like she is really amazing at just like talking while doing makeup. And she also has been doing a lot of in-depth reviews, so please go and check out her channel. And yeah, she's just an amazing person, and we are back at it with another collaboration. And the second lady that we are collaborating with, her name is Nona, and she is just the sweetest person that I have ever met. Like, her heart is so warming, so kind, so just she's just like a breath of fresh air. She is just so amazing. She does a lot of collaborations on her channel, and I feel like that's just her way of really showcasing other channels, really showing support for other channels, a lot of smaller YouTubers, which I think is so amazing. So I definitely want to take some time and just, Nona, I love you so much. Your heart is amazing. You are such a sweet, kind person, and I am so happy that we met. So please go check out her channel. She also does some unboxing, so like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and yeah, she's just so sweet. So I am so blessed to be doing this video with both of you ladies, and please don't forget to check out their makeup inspiration video as well. And yeah, so for my makeup, so for this look, I decided to go back to a oldie palette, but still really good. The pigmentation is still there. I think I got this palette like 6 or 8 years ago. Like, that's how old it is. This is the VISEART or VISEART number 8 Editorial palette. You guys, like, this palette I've had for some time, but it still works. The pigmentation is still there, and this eye look is just giving me all of the 4th of July vibes. So it came out really well, and I am super excited about it. So definitely in this palette, all I did was dip into the white, the red, and the blue shade, and I created this look. I added a cut crease with the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Drug Lord. This was part of my Blue Blood bundle, so I really love it, and I'm actually gonna pick up a full size because I'm gonna like run out of this real quick. So yeah, so this is my 4th of July makeup look, so let's jump into the tutorial. completes the look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please stop by Caitlin and Nona's channel and show them some love and support. I can't wait to see what kind of look that they created for 4th of July, and we really hope that you enjoy this collaboration and that we were able to kind of like give you some ideas if you were wanting to do a makeup look for the 4th of July. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.